In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link Logitech wireless keyboard and mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a keyboard or a mouse or even a combo from Logitech, you can easily connect and use it on your PC. I'm going to be primarily teaching you how to set them up wirelessly. So you have two main options to use keyboard and mice from Logitech wirelessly. You will either use the receiver or use Bluetooth. First, I'm going to be talking about the receiver option because this one will eliminate latency and overall it is going to be more reliable, but you can skip ahead if you only want to know how to connect them over Bluetooth. First, ensure that the keyboard and the mouse are switched on. So there's going to be a switch on the devices themselves and you must set them into the on position. Some peripherals from Logitech will take batteries, so most combos that include a mouse and a keyboard will receive AA batteries, so be sure to open the specific slot and insert them as needed, but some mice will be charged over a USB cable. So if you have a mouse or a keyboard that needs to be charged, plug them in using a USB cable into any suitable power source to charge. Alternatively, insert a battery. Then, like I said, flip them into the on position, look at the top of the keyboard or even below the mouse, and once they are set to the on position, plug in a USB receiver. If your combo or your individual peripheral includes one of these receivers, it's as simple as plugging them into any suitable USB port. As long as the peripherals are powered on and in close proximity of the receiver, they will be detected and picked up right away. You don't need to go into the Bluetooth settings, you don't need to spend time configuring them, they will be detected and you can use them right away. So this is by far the best option. It's going to have minimum latency. Now, if you have a peripheral that needs to be connected over Bluetooth, once again, set them into the on position after inserting batteries or charging it as needed, and then find the button that enables pairing mode. On most mice, it is going to be below the mouse, and you will find plenty of LEDs to indicate that this is the Bluetooth pairing button. If you aren't sure, check the manual. Once you press this, you will see some form of LED blinking to indicate pairing mode, and now you can go into the Bluetooth settings on your PC or laptop, enable Bluetooth, and then choose the option to add a device. This will locate the Logitech peripherals and you can add them into your computer. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.